This is my Mac and I have Zoom enabled right now. So here's my webcam on the top over here. Sorry about the bad lighting. My room has very bad lighting. So today someone had asked, or the other day someone had asked me what happens, how do you set up external webcam for a Mac computer? I think it's pretty much the same thing as doing a PC. So once you plug it in, which I'm going to plug into the USB back here, if you're lucky it will auto switch. But it didn't. So what you do is on the top left over here, just go and click on Zoom US and click on Preferences. They don't have something easy where you can just choose the video mode like with FaceTime. So you have to go to zoom.us. Sorry about the blurriness. I'm not sure why. And click on Preferences. And then from here, you would click on Video. The second option over here, click on Video. And then, finally, you can choose which camera you want. So here I can finally choose, instead of FaceTime HD, use my webcam, which is a Microsoft Livecam Cinema. Voila! I'm using this webcam, which I'm pointing to the wall, which is brown. That's it. So again, to get there, I'll try to get there again. Top left, click on zoom.us, and then click on Preferences. And then once the Preferences pop-up appears, click on the second option, which is Video. And then just remember, switch over the camera to the one that you want. Mine is the second one. And click on the top left to close Preferences. That red circle button. That's it. And then you have it set up. I'll show you how to do it for Google Meet. But also you might have to switch the mic if you want to use your camera mic. So when you're in Preferences, again, audio, you can choose to see which is the microphone you want to use over here. So it usually loads up to audio, and then you just go over here and choose which microphone you want to go use. Mine, this is my webcam. I can use my webcam's one instead and test it. So that's it.